குக்கரி சேனலை பார்த்து யார் வேணாலும் சமையல் பண்ணலாம். ஆனா சுவையான சமையல் பண்றது எப்படி? நான் இதயம் நல்லெண்ணெயில சமையல் பண்றேன். ஆஹா ஓஹோன்னு பாராட்டுறாங்க. நீங்களும் இதயம் நல்லெண்ணெயில சமையல் பண்ணுங்க, பாராட்ட வாங்குங்க.
தினம் தோறும் வாங்குவே இதயம் இதயம்.
Since last 2 days in Tamil Nadu, yesterday I had been to Tenkasi, and today I attended one prestigious program sponsored by IIT Madras, a 2-day convention organized by Think India, a young think tank, students think tank of our country. How we are implementing National Education Policy 2020, how can we achieve the target of 2047 envisioned by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Vikasit Bharat. How I strongly believe education is the pathway for achieving the target of 2047. Many experts are here since last 2 days. Quality deliberations are there. I also put forth my point of view, the strategy of Government of India's Education Department to achieve the target of 2047, how NEP is instrumental, how NEP is effective. Thank you, friends.
Sir, last 2 years, Tamil Nadu government against allegation for that education fund, 2,000 crores pending still now. What about that?
Then this is a political issue. I am open on this issue again and again. Time and again I have said this in Tamil Nadu, also said this in floor of Parliament. This country has adopted National Education Policy 2020. We have to go by that. We are not devouring. There are sufficient number of funds for Tamil Nadu by Government of India. Some of the schemes in the midday meal scheme, which is known as PM Poshan, Tamil Nadu government is getting fund every year, this year also. It's not that they are not getting. Then adult literacy program in Ullas, they are getting fund. For other funds, in RT, Honorable Court has given some observation, primary responsibilities with state government. They also suggested something to Government of India. I met my education minister friend. He's a very gentleman. He came with my dear friend, my sister Kanimoji. I assured them all cooperation on this RT issue. But especially in Samagra Shiksha, you have to accept the MOU offered by Government of India. Because Government of India is abide by its policies, it has to be mutual. You cannot impose your political priority above the interests of students of Tamil Nadu. It's not a good thing. I am ready to go ahead with all kind of cooperation, but there has to be some discipline, there has to be some mutual understanding.
Sir,
Sir, state government is very confident about the party admission. They say not in the government.
I could not get you.
Party admission.
It's up to state government. You ask this question to my dear education minister friend in state government.
sir,
My role, I'll come to you. My role is limited. Honorable Court has given some judgment. I'll respect that judgment.
Sir, state government is very confident about the two language policy. What is the stand of central government?
I said all these things in Parliament also. I showed them the statistics of the Department of Education of Tamil Nadu government. In Tamil Nadu, already there are multi-language classes are there. A student in primary education in Tamil Nadu board schools, they are learning Tamil, they are learning English, they are learning Telugu, 3 languages. Already they are learning Urdu, they are learning Malayalam, they are learning Kannada, apart from English and Tamil. So where is the issue of 3 languages? It is your political stand. It's your political stand. It's up to you.
So these languages are teaching in the minority institutions like minority.
Also, in other issue of three language, we are not imposing, in NEP is not imposing any language on anybody. The class 1 to 2, there will be two languages. One will be, our priority is one will be mother tongue, it is Tamil. Government of India's condition, you have to teach in primary school in Tamil language. You can teach another language up to your choice. From 6 to 10, there has to be three languages. One will be mother tongue, rest two will be your choice. No language will be imposed by Government of India on any states. They are little bit politically motivated. They are creating a pure psychosis among the society. It is them to answer.
Sir, how will you implement in UP, BJP government state for three languages?
We are implementing there. Many state government before, forget BJP, many state government are implementing three language policy prior to national education policy. For you ask about UP. UP student will usually learn in Hindi. They may take English. They may take Marathi. They may take Tamil. If some student in UP will take third language as Tamil, UP government has to provide the language as Tamil. It is there.
But why you need three languages? Because everybody have a
Because
everybody have a
you are
communication is the English language.
no. I'm sorry. Your information is inadequate and insufficient. Only 10% of this country speaks English language.
English.
Only.
Learn English first
You-
properly, right, sir?
You have your question?
Yes, sir.
Don't interrupt. Don't confuse also. You are a little bit confused. Let me tell categorically. Only 10% of the country's population speaks English. Only 10%. Rest of the population speaks in their mother tongue, local language. Let me quote Andhra Chief Minister Honorable Chandrababu Naidu. He said, I will teach my state students 10 languages because I want to Telugu boy to be globally competitive. They will go to a different market. They will be proficient in different language. They will do good entrepreneur. They will do good business. Language is always a facilitator. Those who was full up with political narrow ideas, they are creating this problem. Tamil Nadu, I have toured around all part of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu people are essentially very linguistic state. I am Odia. I am very proud of my Odia language. But I am also proud of my other Indian language. You are ready to accept English, no problem. What's wrong in any other Indian language? Why you are so sectarian? Because already Tamil Nadu is full of multilingual.
So this two language slogan is also spreading in other states like.
Sorry, nowhere. No, friends, nowhere. With full responsibility and telling those who are want to create this language division, they are failed. Society is moving way ahead of them.
Sir, more than 52% people speak in Hindi in India. So how the mother tongue is crossing more so bigger?
I think you are not. I don't understand your question. Over. I think
US. After the tariff scenario, nowadays a huge amount of fee.
I am here to talk about the Think India's conclave, about the vision of 2047. With your affection, with your request, I answer about the Tamil Nadu issue. Thank you, friends.
Sir, what about the state